You won't believe how easy coding in 2025 just got. No, seriously. If you can order pizza online, you can start coding. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, your caffeinated coding buddy, and today I'm serving the truth. No boring lectures, no fake guru nonsense, just the good stuff. Step 1. Before you touch code, ask yourself, what do you actually want to make? A website that makes people say, whoa, $1 million iPhone app? Or maybe automate your mom's coffee maker? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm reading them all. The big question, best language for 2025? It's Python, because it reads like English. It's training wheels for your brain, websites, AI, even making your toaster smarter. But websites need JavaScript, apps need Swift or Kotlin, games need C#, tools time. You don't need NASA's computer. Your laptop is fine. Download VS Code. It's free, powerful, basically the Beyonce of code editors. Pro tip, mess up? Google it. Even pros do. Stack Overflow is my second home. Free Code Camp is legendary. Codecademy is fun, Scrimba. Edit code inside the video. Don't sleep on YouTube. Entire college courses for free. Start with Python full course. Here's the 2025 twist. AI is your cheat code. ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot. Treat them like a tutor, not vending machine. Copy-paste, and you'll be lost as a cat at a dog show. Build stuff. Hello World, calculator, website about your dog, to-do app you'll never use, upload to GitHub. That's your flex. Find Discord servers, join Reddit. Coding's more fun with friends. Fast plan. Day 1, decide and install. Day 2. 3, start learning. Day 4, get stuck in Google. Day 5, build silly stuff. Day 6. 7, reflect. Like, comment, subscribe if you learned something or laughed once. You'll feel dumb first. That's good. 30 minutes daily beats 8 hours Sunday. You don't need permission. Just start. Open VS Code, type print. Let's do this. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.